This is the Central Coast Wave.
On today's Community Portal, we'll see why so many local organizations are joining forces to provide services to the community.
With the goal of reaching out to the community, several nonprofit organizations participated in the 10th annual Binational Healthcare Week.
It's the largest mobilization effort of federal, state, and community-based organizations, along with volunteers and community members, to bring attention to immigrant health issues and to bring attention to disparities between health access for specifically for our immigrant communities and Latinos living in the U.S. Everything from direct services to prevention-focused services as well. And these here in Monterey County, we celebrate Binational Health Week throughout the county. Last year, through Binational Health Week and our partners, we served over 10,000 families just in Monterey County.
Central Coast Wave had the opportunity to speak with some of them to let you, the community, know who they are and what services they provide.
The organization is Chamacos, which stands for the Center for the Health Assessment of Mothers and Children of Salinas. We're a collaborative project between the School of Public Health at UC Berkeley, Natividad Medical Center, and Clínica de Salud del Valle de Salinas. We do research on pesticides and the health effects on mothers and children. So we're looking at how pesticides affect children as they age and as they grow and as they develop. And we also do a lot of outreach in the community to educate people about pesticides and how to protect themselves. We do workshops. Basically, we go anywhere we're invited. So if you guys want us to go to your organization or schools, or you have a special group that you want to get together, we're more than happy to go and present. Yes, our website is currently under construction. It's getting updated, but you can find us at www.chamacos.org, or you can also call us at our office at 831-759-6548. And we're actually recruiting new families that want to participate in the study. We're looking for moms who have children between the ages of 8 and 9.
Salinas Public Library. This is our bookmobile. I'm primarily at the Cesar Chavez Branch Library, and we've come out to the Binational Health Resource Fair in order to connect people with the library and offer them a chance to get a library card and check out some books or movies or any of the other materials that we carry. This is a library, and we move around town regularly and try to go where the people are. There's no cost. It's free. The library is free, and borrowing books is free.
What about for kids?
For kids, it's free. Kids can come in and get a library card. They would just need to have their parents sign off on it. But they can come in at any time and get a library card. And if their parents aren't with them, they can get their form signed by a parent and then brought back in later. For adults, they need a picture ID, any picture ID. And they don't have to be from Salinas. They should always feel welcome to come in and get a library card.
We're from the Childhood Lead Poisoning Prevention Program here in Monterey County. And our program actually gives information to parents and to providers on the need to screen children for lead poisoning. Even a small amount of lead can affect a child, and the lead affects their brain. It affects how they learn, how they behave. So it's very important that the child get checked for lead, because that's the only way to find out if they're lead poisoned. There are symptoms, but most kids don't have any symptoms, so a blood test is what we recommend. And we recommend a screening test at 1 year and 2 years of age. And usually programs like CHDP, Medi-Cal, Healthy Family, and even private insurances cover the test. It's important at those ages because they're crawling, they're putting everything in their mouth. And it's important to know the sources of lead so that the parents can eliminate the sources. And then what we also recommend is good nutrition. Foods high in calcium, high in iron, and vitamin C. A well-fed child does not absorb lead as much. It's very important, I can't stress it enough, that children should be checked at 1 and 2 years of age, or if they have any risks. Say they eat a lot of candy. Sometimes tamarind candy with chili has been known to be a risk. because tamarind is acidic, and they often put lead in paper to make it more vibrant, and the acidity in the candy brings out the lead from the wrapping, and it can get contaminated, and just a small amount can contaminate a child or poison a child with lead.
We actually provide free transportation to children and their families to visit their loved ones that are incarcerated, specifically here at CTF and Salinas Valley State Prison. So we're definitely looking for volunteers to help put the event together, which is going to actually happen on Father's Day, and we're looking for sponsoring agencies that will help contribute to the fundraising so that we can accumulate the funds needed to put this event into play. It's been going on for 10 years now.
You will learn more about these organizations and the benefits they offer, as well as the volunteer opportunities they have. You can make a difference in the community. Please visit the websites on your screen for more information.
Thank you for watching today's show. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to tune in next time as we continue our adventure at Wild Things. Until then, we'll be working to discover more of the Central Coast.